Guys, welcome back to HumbleFx once again. Yeah, it's your boy HumbleFx. All right, today we are discussing the magic of moving averages. Okay, we are discussing the magic of using moving averages and taking it to take longer trades and all that. All right, in this video we're going to be discussing in two moving averages. As you see on my chart, I have three there, but it's only two that we are discussing today. And if you learn this stuff I'm going to teach you today, you'll be able to be making money, making your daily target with ease without losses. Okay, though loss is actually inevitable, but it will be minimal. All right, this is how we get started. Right, guys, before we do that, please as usual, please subscribe to the channel. 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 And click on the bell beside so that you can get notified once a new video is uploaded. And also like the video and also comment on the comment box. If you have any question or anything you want to say, just comment. Or if you don't have questions but you like the video, you can also comment. All right, I need you to comment, please. Okay, that's the only way you can help. You can also encourage us to put more things for you guys to benefit. All right, thank you so much for that. Thank you for commenting, for liking, for subscribing. Let's dive into the business. Okay, what you see on my chart right here is moving average. This one is not actually included. It's just our regular indicator. If you want it, it is on our last video. You can watch the video that we did last time, the storm strategy. You will see the video where I talk about that indicator, and you can use it also. All right, now let us show you the setup. It's only two moving average that we are looking at in that place. The first one is exponential moving average 18, period is 18, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. You can choose any color of your choice. I choose gold, and you can click on done. The next one here will have period is 40, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. I choose blue. You can choose any color of your choice. All right, the white one there is just 200 moving average, and I see it's playing a good role there. So if you like, you can put also that one, which is period 200, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. I choose white. You can choose any color of your choice, but that is not among the two we are talking about. We are only more focused on the gold and the blue, which is the 18 and the 40. Okay, so let us see how you are going to take the trade from that region. You could see that this is on this stuff you use it on a higher time frame, not for lower time frame, so you don't get fake signals. If you use it on a lower time frame, you get fake signals, fake breakouts. This is daily time frame. This is daily chart. Okay, we are looking for when the 18 is crossing the 40 downward, and when it crosses the 40 downward, then they start to spread apart. The 18 and the 40 are going further apart. We now know it's going to be a downtrend. So what do we do if we see these things happen here? What is our next step? First of all, you come to a daily time frame. All right, and you see that this thing happened. Now what do we do next? Let us mark out that region. Let's mark it out. From here is where it's crossed. It's crossed from here going down. Okay, that's where it's crossed. This is where it's crossed, right now. Let us now go back to 4 hours. Okay, we are going down to 4 hours or 1 hour. Let's check it out on 1 hour first. Okay, let's check on 1 hour, see where that's gonna, yeah, see it here. Let's see where it's actually crossed. All right, it's crossed somewhere. Look at that. You see where it's crossed? Okay, it's crossed that place, it's crossed this place, it's crossed this place. All right, but we see something here. We had a retracement, so you don't just jump in once it's a theta. You need to also put in your levels. Okay, look at the level here, look at this level, the previous level that it broke out from. You now mark it out. That should be your first entry. When the market come back to that point, you see that you are selling. Remember, we check on the higher time frame to know the trend direction, and we saw it is on, it crossed downward, which means is on a selling time downward. So we don't want to buy, we don't want to look for buys, we want to only sell, we want to only look for selling trades. So if we are to enter the market right from that region, this level here, you see that we are entering at this point, at this white line, and look at it move up a bit against us, but we don't care, because we know that it is going to sell. Also, it is below, in this time frame, it is below the 200 moving average, which means, you know, this is what we use sometimes as a dynamic support and resistance level. And look at the market has crossed it downward, from here, and is below it. So on the daily chart, this too has crossed over. On the 1 hour time frame, also it has crossed below the 200 moving average, which is showing a downtrend. So we don't want to buy, we are just wanting to sell. So we sell at this white line, and we'll hold it. So, and what's happened? It shut down. Okay, if we sell at that point, what would be your take profit? What will be your take profit? You can use, all right, if we sell at this point, where is our take profit? We have to check back to see my chart is not showing me what I want, and I don't want to do landscape because it will affect you to see what I'm doing. Okay, but I would like you to do this for me. You are going to use the Fibonacci, or maybe you are going to use the distance moved. Okay, the distance moved from the retracement, that is the distance from your entry to that retracement. Let me say somewhere here, don't know why my chart is just doing anyhow. chart is doing anyhow. I'm just going to show you something here. The distance moved from the retracement. Oh, what's happening to my chart now? My chart is not responding as I want it. My chart is misbehaving. As I was saying, now the distance between the level of the low and your entry, or maybe you can choose the high. That is, this is the low. Let's draw this down to that point. This is the low. So you will take these things down. So you see that we are taking profits at that point. Do you see that? You take profit at that point. That you just take profit at that point and wait for another setup to come. You can take profit at that point, or you can take profit 200%, which is 2 times your entry point to the lower low, which means you first take your first TP should be at that point here. The next TP should be from here. Again, you jump down, your next TP also here. So you see that you enter the market somewhere here. Okay, and you take profits down this side. You see how massive, how incredible that should be. This is 300% because you have two profits from here to here is the first session, here to here is second one. So if you either take profits in the 200 level or 300 level, you take profit from here to here or from here to here. It's a choice. Anyway, there's no wrong way to take profit. If you take profit at any point in time, it's no wrong. If you take $1 to take profit, is not wrong, because already you have made something. Your account has grown bigger than it was. If you have $100 and you make $0.1 profit, you have already made profit. You have made 0.1, and your money has increased by 0.1. So it's not bad. It's not bad anyway. So if you make profit, you make profit. So there's no a wrong way to take profit. Okay, but there's a wrong way there's a wrong way to take loss. So if you are taking loss wrongly, don't take loss again. Now you see that it has took profits in this our 300 moving average as a level, and then it shoots up. This shooting up, we don't want to buy except you know that except you understand price action well. Okay, you can buy from here. As you see this level, see the tester and come back to take it, you can buy from here. But if you don't know about price action, you can wait for another setup, which is a retracement to this high, to this. You see that there is a pullback here. Here is a pullback. So this thing is still valid. You can still come back there and take profit and still enter another wait for a market to come back to that level, and you enter another sell in that point. You see that there is a sell opportunity in that point. You can still sell there and look at what happened. You sold. Guys, we are looking for only sell opportunities. If you see your day time frame is saying you should sell, you are only looking for sell, and from there you see that it's sold down. Even up to date, we are still on the selling trade. Even up to now, we are still on the selling trade. So you see that if you want to scalp with this setup, you want to scalp with it, you can go back to 5-minute time frame or 1-minute time frame to scalp with it. But this will not work well for you, because it will give you some fake signals which you may not like. So it's better you take it 5 minutes or higher to get better trade for scalping, but for long trading, you check your trend from the daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, then you come down to lower time frame to take your entry, to see lower entries to take. All right, that's just a simple way. Another way to make money with it is when it crosses the 200 MA. You see that when both of them cross the 200 MA, it moved massively. That is for buy. For a sell, you see it crossed downward, it moved massively. So the buy and selling opportunities are also recommended. You see that it crossed it above, it moved massively. Right, that is just a simple way to trade with the moving average. All right, simple and as that. You see another cross down here, it moved massively. So guys, I will leave you guys here. Please go ahead on demo and practice it and see how it work out for you. If you have any question, you can go ahead and ask me any question, and I'll be glad to attend to you as soon as possible. Please follow me on Facebook at HumbleFx Official. The link is on the video description. You can join our Telegram channel and group. The links are on the video description. All right, guys. Until then, I remain HumbleFx. Please practice this on your demo account and let us see how we'll make the market successfully with these simple setups. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.